friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and if you want to see how I've blackened these beans, stick around. It's a nice side dish to have at any holiday celebration that you're having. It's simple, easy. You can use fresh or frozen beans, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so stick around if you want to see how I make this blackened beans. Okay, my friends, to make the blackened beans, we're just going to need some beans, some whole beans. Okay, any brand of beans that you want, that you have, use it up. We're also going to use some scallion or green onion, garlic, some white onion, and of course some olive oil. And we're also going to use some soya sauce as well. Okay, light soya sauce. So that's all we're going to need, my friend. This is 100% vegetarian. Let's get started. Blackened beans. Okay, my friends, the first thing that I'm going to do to prepare our blackened beans is cut the onions up. So this is what I'm doing. This is white onion that I'm using. I hope you guys can see it. And I'm just cutting the onions up. Okay, this is an easy side dish, my friends. It replaces a salad if you want to do that, or it can be an addition to whatever meal that you're doing. Okay, so this is something different to do over the holidays if you want to do this. The green onions, I'm also cutting it up as well. And as I said, my friends, this recipe, you can use fresh beans, and in this case I'm using frozen beans. Okay, and I'm also going to do my my garlic as well. Okay, so I'm cutting up the garlic. Just gonna move this out of the way so that you guys can see. Cutting up the garlic small, and I'm using 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, and our seasoning is ready. Now I'm going to move you over to the stove, my friends, so that we can get to the other part. Okay, this is half a bag of frozen beans that I'm going to be using. Okay, so here we go. Okay, my friends, here we go. I'm going to put a tablespoon of olive oil in the pot. Okay, all right, and then the stove is on medium low, my friends, not too high. Oh, I shouldn't be doing that. I'm having a little bit of technical difficulty. I'm just going to try and move you over a little bit so that you can see exactly what it is I'm doing. I believe my oil is hot, my friends. Okay, so I'm going to start to add my beans, and these are frozen beans that I'm using. Half a bag. I'm going to put all of it in. While that is doing its thing, my friends, I'm going to put in some all-purpose seasoning. Some crushed red peppers. Remember, we're blackening our beans. Okay. I'm also going to use some soya sauce. This is light soya sauce I'm using. Okay. I'm going to grab me a spoon because, you know, I didn't get my saucepan spoon. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to let this stay there for a bit, and I'm going to, I want it to start to fry, basically. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, not steaming, frying. Okay, but remember, this is the frozen beans that we use. Now, if you had used fresh beans, my friends, it would have started to fry right away. Okay, so because this was frozen, there's lots of water in it. We're going to wait until this is cooked down a little bit, okay, and start to fry. All right, so we're going to leave that on medium for a little bit, and then we're going to come right back. Okay, my friends, this has been cooking for about 2 minutes or so. It's doing its thing. My fresh seasoning, I'm going to add it on top. Oops. We want all of that yumminess in there. Okay. I'm just going to mix this around, and we're going to wait for the beans to start frying. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna come right back as soon as it start frying, my friends. I'm gonna show you our step. Okay. Okay, my friends, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. I'm turning up the stove, the heat to high now, my friends. Okay, and this is coming to an end. There we are. Okay. It smells so lovely in here, my friends. The mixture of those seasonings that I've used makes it really, smells really nice in this house. Okay, so it's coming to the stage, my friend, that is going to be frying a bit. And all you need to do, all you need to see is it almost looks like it's burning, but it's actually frying nicely. And you just want to see a little bit of it being black, okay? Not burnt, but blackened a little bit, okay? And this stove is on a high, as I said. So you watch this, my friends, because you do not want it burnt. You just want it blackened a little bit, okay? See that steam going? This is a tried, tested, and true recipe, my friends. I've made this quite a few times. My family loves it. Oh. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and let it go steam. Remember, you don't want it to burn, my friends. You just want it to darken up a little bit. It smells wonderful in this house. And you have to work quickly because you don't want the fire alarm to go off either, right? And people think you're burning the food. Okay, my friends, I'm going to plate this. This is done. This is about 7 minutes. This is done. I'm going to come right back. So here it is, my friends. Our blackened beans is ready. As I told you before, it's a nice addition to add to any celebration that you're having this holidays. It makes also a nice vegetarian meal that you can just eat like that. It's 100% vegetarian. It's absolutely yummy. So here it is, blackened beans, my friend. Go out and try it, my friends, and just let me know what you think. See that nice how black some of the beans are? This is what we're looking for. Okay, don't forget, my friends, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you for watching.